Hi there and welcome! In this video, we'll walk you through how to get started with a de-identification project in the Generative AI lab, step by step. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Models Hub page. In the search bar, type Clinical De-Identification, which is a de-identification pipeline. Once it appears, click to download it. Next, let's create a new de-identification project. Click on the New button at the top right of your screen and give the project details. Choose the content type. Choose de-identification template and then click Save Config. Next, go to the Customize Labels page. Here, select the masked settings where you can change the replacement of PHI data with suitable replacements or characters. You can even select the masking type for each label. After you are done with the changes, you can click on Save. When the pop-up appears asking you to deploy the selected model, click Deploy and Save Config. Perfect. Your AI model is now active in the project. Now, let's add a task. Go to the task page and click the Import button at the top right. You can either drag and drop a text file with your data, or just click Add a sample task if you want to try it out quickly. You can see that the task has the non-de-identified tag. Once your task is added, click the De-Identify button at the top right. You'll see a pop-up with the deployed AI model listed. Click Identify PHI. This will run the AI model over your text and generate predicted PHI data. With support for English, French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Romanian, and Arabic, John Snow Labs' De-Identification AI helps healthcare teams across the globe protect sensitive data. When the processing is complete, you'll see a green circle next to the task. That means predictions are available. Click on the task to open it and check the AI model's predictions. If everything looks good, you can accept the prediction or make edits in the prediction by clicking on the Edit button. Now go back to the task page and then click on the De-Identify button at the top right. Now click on the De-Identify button next to the Identify PHI button. This will now de-identify the recognized PHI data. You will also see the de-identified tag on the tasks after this process. Now you can open the task and then click on the Compare De-Identified Data to check how the text will look when it is exported. If you are happy with the result, then you can export the documents with the removed PHI data. And that's it. You've successfully set up and run a de-identification project in Generative AI Lab. Thanks for watching.